ingredients, guys. 4 cups of bread flour, or if you don't have bread flour, you can use all-purpose flour, but I prefer the bread flour. 1 and 1/4 cup of Evap milk or fresh milk. 1 tablespoon of instant yeast. Guys, instant yeast, you can mix that one directly to your ingredients, while the active yeast, you need to activate that to warm water and sugar. And then we have a 1 teaspoon of salt, 2 pieces of medium egg, and 1/2 cup of butter, melted butter or margarine if you don't have butter, but I use margarine because we don't have much butter. And we have a 1 tablespoon of vanilla essence, 1/2 cup of white sugar, and then 1 cup of grated cheese for filling. If you don't have grated cheese, you don't need to put grated cheese. And then this is my style. I will add cream cheese. This is new cream cheese, 1/4 cup of cream cheese. So that's our ingredients, guys. And guys, making the ensaymada, it's gonna be so hard. It's gonna be so sticky. So as I have a KitchenAid stand mixer, I'm going to use my stand mixer because I remember last time when I tried to make ensaymada, it turns out very, very hard. Yeah, when I'm kneading the dough, I get so upset because it's very sticky. So what I did is I add flour, add. And then what happened, the dough is getting hard. And my bread is turned out Pinay bread. It's very hard bread. To mix the liquid first, put the liquid, that's milk, our margarine, melted, vanilla essence, very sticky, our egg. Ow, ow. Good, the egg shell went there.
That's what you get for not preparing beforehand.
Now we, ow! We put our salt and our yeast and then sugar. Mix them maybe for about 1 minute. And the cheese cream, guys, I forgot. They're not really mixed together properly, but that's alright. Except the flour, guys. And I'm going to change this. And mix the flour slowly. Turn up the speed slowly. I turned the speed to number 5. And now that's how it looks like. Minutes of mixing, and now we achieve the. If you don't achieve the elastic dough yet, then make it more longer. It doesn't hurt. And now we got the elastic dough. We need to rest this for 30 minutes. And please help me. I need to remove this. Now we're done kneading our dough. I need my husband to remove that.
What do you want me to do?
Remove the stand mixer, put it here for now.
Okay.
And guys, this is our dough now. So we need to rest this for 30 minutes, and we need to cover this with margarine or butter or oil so it doesn't get elephant skin. It is very, very, very sticky. It is very wet, very sticky. After 30 minutes of rest, after 30 minute rest,
After resting for 30 minutes.
After resting for 30 minutes, and now this is our dough. And now we're going to weigh them so we can have a same size. And guys, I'm already improved. I have my bread mat, and I have my cutting bread, and I have my rolling pin. And my husband bought this for a birthday gift. He's asking me, what do you want on your birthday? And I can't think what I want. And then I realized that I need this thing. We'll make 70 grams of our bread. 70 grams. And we made 18 pieces. Make them flat. And then I'm going to put cheese on the center, grated cheese, and then roll it over. Roll it over, and then do this. Hala. And then wait, a bit sticky, guys. And yeah, that's it. Sorry. This will be This is gonna be a cheesy ensaymada because I put cheese cream, and then later on I put cheese filling, and then later on we're gonna sprinkle with cheese. Cheesy ensaymada. And guys, after we mold them, and now we need to rest for 2 hours. Okay, after 2 hours, this is our ensaymada bread ready to bake. I have a pinta block. I fall asleep. Okay, so this is our dough now. So ready to bake. So it's double. Like
ready for action.
Ready for action. Now I already preheat the oven for 160 degrees. So we're gonna bake this 15 to 20 minutes. 3/4 cup of butter or margarine and 1/2 cup of icing sugar powder. Let's make now. Guys, I wanted to add this little cream cheese on our icing on top. Just a little bit. I just want to do an experiment. Guys, this is our toppings, icing toppings, and excited. Okay guys, this is our bread now. As I said, we have an old style of oven, and this is the result. Now cheese. That's our finished product. Hope you enjoy your ensaymada.
Guys, this is our finished product for our ensaymada that I made last night, and this is the ensaymada made by me, and I divide that into this one ensaymada with sugar on top, and the other one ensaymada with cheese on top. And yeah, that's it for our ensaymada. I'm a bit upset last night because the oven, as I told you on my last video, that we have an old version of oven. They don't have pan inside, so it doesn't circulate the heat, and it's only more heating on the bottom, and then the ensaymada that I have, the bottom is a bit burning brown, and then top it's different. Guys, I wrap with cling wrap, and this is it now. Enjoy your ensaymada. Bye guys. Mwah.